Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello viewers, welcome to Jidel's channel. So this video, we're going to share with you our second day trip in Bangkok, Thailand. We are on our way to Saduak Floating Market and Maeklong Train Market. We got this package tour at Klook Travel application. They have bus to pick you up from assembly point at Siam, Paragon.
Yeah, and we come the Chao Phraya River, and it is the biggest, the longest river. Chao Phraya means the king. The King River, and then it will go this way to the.
They have very accommodating tour guide, and guess what? They have samples of delicacies they shared to us. Super yummy. So almost 2 hours to travel to reach our first stop in Saduak Floating Market. So this is the first stop in Saduak Floating Market. Done. Picture pa while waiting for our turn. So may litre silang pagkain dyan.
Sure, hindi kamay.
Yan, yung coconut milk na napakasarap. At meron pa kaming nakilala na Bisaya din na from United Arab Emirates. So this is it. This is from Klook boat. Maximum of 6 packs para makasakay sa bangka. So we're waiting for our turn na sumakay. There you go. We're going and enjoy watching.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Grabe naman sa atin po 100. Okay.
So at this point in time in the video was our second stop at Maeklong Train Market. Our tour guide Miss Jenny from Klook briefed us do's and don'ts when the train will arrive. As you can see, the vendors are very near to the railways, so they still have time to keep it and gave some space before the train will pass. So hanap-hanap muna kami ng place to witness and capture the moment. So madami ding mga tourists na nag-aabang. O diba, ang lapit ng mga tinda nila sa railways. Ayan, nakapwesto na yung mga ibang tourists. mahaba siya, so hanap-hanap po na kami ng pwesto. At marami nang nag-aabang. And there you go, the train is there. So may iba pang mga vendors na hindi pa natakip ng kanilang mga tindahan. So, as you can see, clear na ang area. So there you go, the train is there. So parang artista lang, no? Pinipicturean si train. So hindi naman nagbilis tumakbo yung train. I think there's a driver to watch out the tourists na magto-take ng photo. So tapos na. So it's time to roam around and find pasalubong for the loved ones. If you want to buy pasalubong, we recommend to buy here because it's way cheaper compared to other locations. So, napakamura ng mga bilihin nila dyan. Pili-pili mo na si Ateng sa mga pasalubong. So, this is the end of our video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.